We've just installed the 2010 to 2013 Lexus GX Hamilton Upgrade Kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. In this video, I will show you how to pair and set up wireless Apple CarPlay. We'll have another video that shows you how to pair and set up Android Auto, as well as a full installation video on the YouTube channel. Let's dive in and get started. This is the Hamilton underlying operating system. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are not operating systems, so we have this basic page here where you can access settings underneath CarPlay or Android Auto. You'll see this when you first get into the vehicle and start it up. Long holding the voice speech button for 3 seconds on the steering wheel cycles between the factory Lexus system and the new Hamilton system. With this page present, go ahead and pull out your iPhone. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone and come to the Bluetooth menu. Then scroll down to the bottom and look for a new Bluetooth device, starting with Hamilton. Click on it. When a pairing code pops up, click Pair. Allow to Contacts and Favorites. And if you get a prompt that says Use CarPlay, click Use CarPlay. Just like that, CarPlay will automatically appear. Here it is. You can easily come to the settings page here and change the wallpaper to something that you like. We have one last very important step. We need to set the audio mode. Clicking on your audio button will bring up your audio panel. For the Hamilton system to work, you need to be in aux mode. We've grabbed the auxiliary line behind your factory radio. Your phone is streaming music through to the Hamilton system, and the Hamilton system is playing like an iPod through your aux mode. We've done extensive testing even in Mark Levinson vehicles, and we will preserve 100% original audio quality. You can also listen to AM, FM, or satellite while using CarPlay. You will not hear the audio from Siri while you're using any of these channels, however. You will only hear the music. If you want to use your factory Bluetooth, this is possible, but you cannot do it by default. You'd need to reach out to Hamilton Motor Company, and we can send you a step to change a setting on our unit for you to use factory Bluetooth. By default, we equip our systems to use aux mode. Aux mode is what we believe to be the most efficient and best mode for using CarPlay on this system. We recommend disconnecting your phone from the factory Bluetooth and forgetting the factory Lexus Bluetooth from your phone's settings. Then turn off Auto Bluetooth Connect and make sure all devices are removed. That way your phone will not be trying to pair with the original Lexus Bluetooth. You'll want it only connected to the Hamilton network. One last note, CarPlay uses Bluetooth to initiate, but then it takes over your phone's Wi-Fi connection automatically in a high-speed proprietary Wi-Fi connection, similar to how AirDrop works. See when I swipe here? This is your control center. Touching the Wi-Fi icon would give us the option to disconnect CarPlay. And that would be how you disconnect CarPlay if you ever wanted to do so. If you see your Bluetooth change from connected to disconnected, but you're still seeing CarPlay, that's totally normal. CarPlay has initiated with Bluetooth, and it's now using that high-speed proprietary Wi-Fi connection. We have a full installation video available on our YouTube channel. Check us out, hamiltonmotorcompany.com. If you have any questions, give us a call at 919-858-2890, and our tech support team will be more than happy to help you. We're grateful for your business.